Hold on, Erilyn. Let me get the camera turned on. Guess you're not high enough to see me. Hold on. There we go. Good morning. We're on this today. Prokaryotes. So this is the only thing we're going to do with prokaryotes. There's really not a whole lot for us to do with prokaryotes. It's pretty simple. When we look at a prokaryote, it's another word for your bacteria. There's not a whole lot of time we're going to spend on these because these are pretty simple. If you look at these, see if you can see my diagram there. So if you look at this compared to your eukaryotic cells, they're very simple. There's not a whole lot going on with them, okay? They don't have nearly the structures and that in them that our plant and animal cells do. But bacteria are important. Bacteria help you in your digestive tract. They help you digest food. There is bacteria on your skin that keeps other things like fungus, like athlete's foot, and that from growing on your skin. If we didn't have bacteria as decomposers, we would have tons and tons of dead things stacked up because bacteria is a great decomposer and it helps break stuff down. Yep, that's what helps break it all down. Now, there's some things that, like, it doesn't break down, like plastic. If you remember, though, from those videos we watched a couple weeks ago, there was a teenager in Canada, though, who developed the bacteria to help break down plastic, because plastic doesn't decompose very quickly. So bacteria play an important part in our world, so we want to know a little bit about them, but we don't want to spend a ton of time on them because they are pretty simple structures. So what you're going to do on this paper is you're going to read through. It's going to tell you a little bit more about bacteria. It's like the papers we've had before. So where you read here, you're going to find the answers to these questions right above. And if you look at the back of the paper, there's a diagram of a bacteria. And it tells you on page 5 how to color that bacteria. So you're going to color like the cell wall, the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, the ribosomes, because remember there are 5 things that all cells have. So these cells and eukaryotic cells will have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, ribosomes, DNA, and cytoskeleton. They have 5, all cells have those 5 things. But you're going to color these so that you know what the parts of the prokaryotes are. It tells you the exact colors to color them. You guys have any questions about this before we get started? Okay. Erilyn, how about